In this video, I'm going to show how to use comments inside of Google Docs. So I'm inside of Google Docs right now, and if I want to make a comment for another user, I can just place my cursor where I want that comment to appear, and then I can click up on the Open Comments thread, and I can just add a note that says, "Hi, this is great. I didn't know this. Where is this from?" So we can put a comment there, and then it will post as a comment. So now it shows up as a comment here, and then if I were to show up here and find a comment here for me like this, then all I need to do is I can mark it as resolved, and it's going to go away. The other thing that I could do, let's create another comment. Okay, here's another comment. So this is a different comment. This is not the one that I made before, but the other thing I can do is I can edit it, or I can delete it if this is my comment, or I can link to it, or I can reply to it. So here's where I found this information. Here's where I found this information. And then I could hit reply, and we could have an ongoing discussion like that if we need to do that. So it's a pretty simple process, and it's integrated right in. You can also, when you click up on this, you can see the whole comments thread. So you can find if there are comments in the document real easily. So that's how to use comments inside of Google Docs. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.